A survey determines that credit scores matter, and Senator Bernie Sanders proposes a bill to break up big banks. Ahead on the Weekend News Wrap. The Senior Loan Officer Opinion Survey, issued in April 2015, asked banks to give their responses to new GSE guidelines that were issued on November 20th, 2014. The Federal Reserve Board inquired about residential real estate lending and on the definition of life of loan representation and warranty exclusions. The survey focused on two variables, credit score and down payment amount, in an effort to reduce uncertainty and increase transparency about the terms under which a secured mortgage would be taken back to the bank that created the loan. These policies were put in place by the Federal Reserve Board. The bank's chances of approving a mortgage loan varied in terms of credit score, according to the responses given in regards to the new GSE-issued guidelines. The banks were only given information on the credit score and the down payment amount. Also, in response to new GSE guidelines, it was noted that mortgage applications were more likely to gain approval from a household with higher credit scores from banks and less likely to gain approval from households with lower credit scores. A new bill has been introduced by presidential nominee Senator Bernie Sanders. The proposal is intended to prevent another costly taxpayer bailout and safeguard the economy by breaking up the nation's largest banks. According to the new proposed legislation, banking regulators would have 90 days to identify commercial banks, investment banks, hedge funds, insurance companies, and other entities whose, quote, failure would have a catastrophic effect on the stability of either the financial system or the United States economy without substantial government assistance, end quote. You can check out these stories and all the latest happenings in the industry right here on our site. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again on Monday here at the MReport.com, your source for the latest news and strategies in the evolving mortgage market.